Good afternoon, gentlemen. So today what we're going to do is we're going to look at section 1E, comparing using the unit cost method. So what we're going to be doing here is simply comparing the cost of items bought individually to those in a packet. So for example, let's just say that you wanted one piece of chocolate and that one piece of chocolate cost 10 cents. Or you could buy a packet of 20 chocolates for $2. Which one is the better bargain? Should you buy the packet of them, or should you buy just the individual chocolate? And so we can do that using something called the unit cost method. Now, don't get carried away because this is very easy, so don't think of it as being very difficult. So let's talk about the steps. The first step is to determine the cost of the multi-unit packet. It could be a box, it could be a bag, it can be whatever, okay? Or it can just be buy 3, get 1 free kind of deal, something like that. So first determine the cost of the multi-unit packet. Second, find the number of items in the packet. So there could be 24 in a package, there could be 12 in a package, whatever. How many items are there in that packet? Once you know both of those, then it's going to be relatively easy to do the math to figure out how much one individual item would cost. Because if you think about what you're dealing with these things, you're looking for the cost per item. Again, you probably haven't thought of it very much like this, but the cost per item, anytime you see that word per, you're usually talking about dividing. So when you're talking about cost per item, we're simply going to take the cost and divide it by the number of items in the bag. And that will give us our cost per item. So it's just that simple. And then once you have that cost per item, you could compare it to buying simply one particular item. So this is called the unit cost. How much does each unit cost? All right? So again, the title of the lesson, comparing using the unit cost method. What we're doing, comparing the cost of items bought individually to those bought in a packet or a box or whatever. So all you need to do is do the cost of the multi-unit package, find the number of items in that package, and then step 3, do the cost per item, which simply means cost divided by the number of items, and that's going to equal your unit cost. All right, so tomorrow in class, we will work together and do some examples using this.